to prevent anxiety before an exam. Managing exam anxiety involves a combination of strategies that address both the physical and psychological aspects of stress. Here are 8 tips to help prevent anxiety before an exam. Number 1, preparation. Start studying well in advance to avoid last-minute cramming. Break down the material into manageable chunks and create a study schedule. Knowing that you've put in the effort will boost your confidence. Number 2, healthy lifestyle. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and nutrition. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep per night to ensure your brain is well rested. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can also help reduce stress levels. Number 3, mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or mindfulness meditation. These can help calm your mind and body, reducing anxiety. Number 4, positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your past successes and capabilities. Replace thoughts like, "I can't do this," with, "I am prepared and I can handle this." Number 5, visualize success. Visualize yourself succeeding in the exam. Imagine yourself feeling calm, focused, and confident as you tackle each question. Visualization can help alleviate anxiety and boost self-confidence. Number 6, stay organized. Organize your study materials, notes, and exam logistics in advance. Knowing where everything is and having a plan for exam day can help reduce last-minute stresses. We have a planner you can use to keep organized. Find the link in the description. Number 7, seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a counselor about your feelings. Sometimes, just expressing your concerns can help alleviate anxiety. Additionally, consider forming or joining a study group for mutual support and learning. Number 8, take breaks. Don't forget to take regular breaks during your study sessions. Overworking yourself can lead to burnout and increased anxiety. Schedule short breaks to rest and recharge. Remember, it's normal to feel some level of anxiety before an exam. However, by implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage your stress and perform at your best.